Now this Canadian National and the Conrail is set up at the end of the train, and next you're going to do the pushing. This is a CN and a Conrail. But the good news is, to save on money, and I'm always a budget train guy, these are both non-powered units. The two up front is going to be one non-powered and one powered. So about 4 engines going, but only one is powered. This helps keep your costs down. These you can get for about $120, these non-powered units. Now the thing about the Lionel non-powered units, they are definitely non-powered. The Rail King and MTH Premier Line, they both have lighted cabs and headlights. The Lionel does not. So when you, of course these are older ones, things I might have changed, but I've had these for quite a while. So the first one is Canadian National, followed by the Conrail. Alright, now at the front of the train, we're going to have two DT&Is doing our pulling for us. And at the back, we've got the two engines doing the pushing. So we've got two pulling and two pushing. Let's fire this thing up.